What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this Milwaukee socket set. All right, you guys, so this socket set is at Home Depot. It's on sale for $100. Now, I am not a hardcore Milwaukee fan, you guys. Actually, I don't even have no loyalty to no brand out there, okay? So, as all of my reviews, it will get 100% honest review because they're not paying me to do the review. So with that being said, I wanted to get this set because one, I know Milwaukee is always expensive, you guys. It's just one of those tool brands that you be like, dang, it's a lot of money. But if you want a cheaper set, as always, you can go on Amazon. I do have one in the cart. It's a deep socket set. It's like 60 something dollars. But this Milwaukee set right here, which is 43 pieces and 3/8 inch as far as the drive goes. Now this is a impact socket set, but of course, you know, you can use this as regular. However you choose to use it, that is your choice, you guys. No right or wrong way. This looks so good. This is going to stay in my car. I still have my Nikio set, you guys. I'm not going to give it up. I do have a zip tie right there. All right, and here we go. Oh my goodness, this looks so good right now. As a matter of fact, let me bring y'all in closer so y'all can have the same kind of feel that I have right now. All right, you guys, here we go. I brought y'all in a little closer. Are y'all happy? All right, because I am. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see the glistening. Do you see the glistening? Look at that. It just shines. Look at that shine. Okay, you guys. Oh, I'm having fun right now. You guys, this is $100. It's still on sale right now as we speak. All right, there you go. 100 bucks. All right, so with that being said, to me, this is a deal, you guys, to me. All right, so you do have your deep sockets over here. You have your regular size sockets over here. You have your metrics and all that good stuff. Yeah, and it's very greasy. You have your connector right here. So if you need to connect it to your impact driver, there you go. You have an adapter right here. Okay, here's a swivel ball right here. This is nice, you guys. Ooh, this is nice. You have an extension, 3-inch. All right, you guys, so that's about it. I just wanted to show y'all this socket set. Y'all will probably see this socket set. Definitely will see it in action because I have to do some work on my cars. And yeah, so what do we have here? Okay, lifetime guaranteed. So I assume that Milwaukee does lifetime warranty. I didn't even look at the paper. Okay, there it goes. It says lifetime guaranteed, you guys, so save your receipt. I do like this little hook right here. This is nice. I see why people like Milwaukee. Look at the build on the socket. It's not just like no any old socket. It's just, it feels nice with these ridges right here and everything. I could put this side by side against my Nikio and this will outshine it. This will definitely outshine it, okay? But we have everything over here. Okay, sorry you guys. Anyways, I like this the metal clips right here. I like that they're metal. Ooh, and it snaps tight. All right, so if you do hook this up the wrong way, if you are upside down, you guys, this will be your nightmare if you open it this way. You can actually see the top right here. Milwaukee, this is the top. Do not open it the other way, all right? Or else you will be doing a lot of pickup because this is not like it's snapped in or nothing, okay? This stuff is not snapped in. Don't open it the wrong way. These are already stamped in ink, okay, as far as the letters go, but you can feel the indent a little bit. So I'm not sure if it's gonna rub off or not, but I do feel the indent and it looked like it's been poured in with ink on it. All right, that's as far as the numbers go right there. Hopefully the Milwaukee name and stuff stay intact. This is deep socket, so you do have your deep socket set. So you have 3 ace drives standard. Okay, so you do have your standard. Your standard is right here, all in the middle. Standard, standard, standard. All of these are standard. Right here on my left side, your right, my left, standard right here. And then you have your deep socket set right here. Okay, all of your deep socket set. And if you don't know, we have dual holes, so it's easy to hook up. You have a pin ball over this side, then you got a pin ball over this side. So when you put your socket in, it's easy to hook on either side. One of the sides will clip on. So you do have 2 holes on one side, one on the other. All right. Now, as far as the hex go, they said it is non-slip hex. So I will definitely find that out, but it looks very good and feels very good. All right, you guys. So all in all, I had to buy this online. All the stores are sold out, you guys. All the stores are sold out. The only Milwaukee tool that I have in this house is a square, you guys. And I actually don't even know where it's at right now, but the only Milwaukee tool I have is like this real little red square, you know, like the square off your wood. That's it. And this was my dad's, yeah, many moons ago. And this is the only Milwaukee real tool that I have. So, yeah. So welcome me into the Milwaukee family, you guys. We may be looking for some we may be looking for some more Milwaukee tools in the future, and stay tuned. So other than that, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next product review.